Hey guys, hi, what's up everybody? कैसे हो आप लोग? स्वागत नहीं करोगे हमारा मेरा मोले बबल्स का. By the way guys, hello, I found a finally different location to come out of the house and out of my workplace. So I'm just here in the greenery. As you can see, I'm wearing green into the green. And if people who have not seen me, you know, I am like this. True to sound, but yeah, I am like this. I just wanted to look for a nice location at the perfect timing. So I'll tell you what, a lot of people have been to be people passing back my location, so please don't mind me right now. And I'm so liking this greenery situation right now. Sometimes I just think that, you know, it is so difficult for those influencers, and this is so bad. Like, it's not important to peep in somebody's camera. This is so bad. Don't you think so? ये गलत बात है. ऐसा मत किया करो. अगर तुमको दिख रहा है कि कोई वीडियो ले रहा है, but फिर भी you're passing and you're going to peep inside the camera. Like, what the hell, really? I like to breathe like this, you know, because you finally can breathe, inhale, exhale. So yeah. By the way, guys. But anyways, guys, I'm in public place, so you can't really help it. By the way, guys, मैंने लगाया है तेल. इस हरियाली में हरियाली जैसे खेल रही हूँ मैं. थोड़ा अभी मुझे काट रहे हैं mosquitoes which bite me right now. Tell me, do you want to watch more videos of me like this, or just mera chehra? A lot of people say that my face talks a lot over my eyes, but then I don't know really if that's the fact or not. But then ये जो जिसे लोग जा रहे हैं ना, मेरे को गुस्सा आ रहा है. ऐसे लोकेशन चाहिए बस जहाँ पे मैं हूँ. Okay, let me. By the way, guys, this dress is becoming so tight for me, or I'm not sure if I'm becoming fat. Weight loss तो करना पड़ेगा यार. बहुत ज़्यादा weight put on हुआ है guys. बहुत ज़्यादा. मोटी हो रखी हूँ. मोटी हो रखी हूँ. By the way, guys, I'm wearing heels right now. It is almost 2-inch का heels. और मैंने लगा रखा है earphone, क्योंकि if I go far from the phone